meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
And we'll drop off between 25 and 30 this evening across the region under mostly clear skies. Head down into the low 20s overnight, up to about 27 at 8 o'clock. A mix of clouds and sunshine on the way for tomorrow as a cold front moves into the state. But the main influence of that colder air will be in the northern half of the Buckeye State, but still some of our northern counties probably a touch cooler than the numbers we'll have down here. We'll be around 31 at 5 o'clock. And a beautiful day, actually. We saw a little bit of cloudiness across the northern counties for a while, but even that has tended to thin out here this evening. So right now, mostly clear skies over our area. At time lapse up in Troy at the Stouter Center. We are looking at a warming trend heading into the weekend. We'll find readings tomorrow around 34 degrees, probably about 5 degrees cooler across the far north. But then everybody warms up on Saturday. Southwesterly breezes will kick those highs up into the mid and upper 40s across the region. Even over that snow cover to the north, at least some low to mid 40s are expected. And that warm up, unfortunately, isn't going to last for very long. Another cold front comes through on Sunday and will start to drop our temperatures again. But right now, as you can see, we are seeing mostly clear skies over the Dayton area and the Miami Valley. Some of the thicker clouds now pulling to the north, up through the northern sections of the Buckeye State. Also some cloud cover to the south and east of us. So as you can tell here, low to mid 20s expected for those overnight lows across western Ohio. And then tomorrow afternoon, there's that slightly cooler air to the north, about 27 at Lima, but low to mid 30s down toward the Dayton area, 36 at Cincinnati. But here's that nice warm-up coming in on Saturday, where we'll find those highs into the mid and upper 40s over about the southern half of the region, low to mid 40s as you go up farther north, and about 39 degrees or so toward Lima. So those numbers for Saturday afternoon running above normal, a large area of above normal temperatures over the central and eastern part of the country. But it looks like we will get back to a cooling trend as we work through early next week, just taking our temperatures back to seasonal norms. Dry tonight in the Dayton area, Huber Heights, the Xenia region, looking at dry weather over in Greene County. Springfield and Troy dry as well, along with New Carlisle. No precipitation really anywhere close to us. A little disturbance passing to our south through the Carolinas. That's producing some rain and some snow, and then some snow showers well to the north across the northern Great Lakes. But you can see much of the eastern U.S. a pretty quiet weather pattern right now. 34 degrees our high today, 15 degrees our low temperature this morning. Normals at 34 and 20. We had a record high of 65, 12 below zero, the record low 1972. And right now, mostly clear. Our current temperature reading here in Dayton at 29 degrees with a southwest wind at 7. A wind chill factor tonight at 22 degrees. It's a little bit warmer in Springfield, downtown Springfield 32, southwest wind at 4 with a wind chill factor in the upper 20s. Our weather checkers tonight calling in with temperatures in the low to mid 30s. Lowell, Miller, and Greenville down to 30 degrees. Gary Rust and Camden 35. Pat Lee and Trotwood a 33-degree reading. Hope Quilke and Bellbrook at 34, and William Nebus in Fairborn looking at a temperature of 35. Future track forecast keeping things dry tonight. Looks like dry weather tomorrow too, although we will see a few of those clouds around. There's probably a slight chance we might see a couple of snow flurries in the northern part of the state. Maybe some of those could clip our far northern counties, but for the most part just a dry day tomorrow. It looks like seasonably cold to chilly weather. Tonight, clear to partly cloudy skies will drop off to 23, and then that mix of clouds and sunshine tomorrow. Seasonably chilly as we get up to 34. Hour by hour forecast, 30 at 10 o'clock, 33 degrees at noon, 34 at 2 o'clock, dropping back to the upper 20s at 7 p.m. And your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast. Saturday's high up into the 40s as we showed you there, 47, but cooling off on Sunday. A chance of rain and snow showers with highs in the 30s, 34 on Monday. And seasonably cool weather into next week for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Maybe a slight chance of some snow showers toward the middle part of next week.
You know, I have a theory. I think you know why the sun is coming out and why it's getting a little warmer.
Tell me why.
Jack Pole's back.
Brought it with him from Texas. Tejas.
It's just Jack. He's his sunny disposition.